Welcome to our educational video on mobile app development. Today we're going to take you through the 6 stages of app development. You've got concept, discovery, design, build, testing and delivery. This is where the idea for the app is born. You might be thinking about a problem that needs solving or a gap in the market that needs filling. Whatever it is, the concept stage is where you flesh out the basic idea and figure out if it's feasible within the budget you have. Our team work to gather and analyse information about the project's goals, objectives and constraints. During this phase we conduct research, have client meetings and brainstorm ideas and discover potential solutions. The primary goal of the discovery phase is to gain a deep understanding of the project's scope, requirements and overall feasibility. By the end of the discovery phase we should have a solid foundation on which to build the project plan. Once our team has a solid understanding of what is going to be included in the app, it's time to move on to the design stage. This is where we start thinking about the user interface, user experience and overall look and feel of the app. We create wireframes, mock-ups or prototypes to get a sense of what the app will look like so you get a much better visual representation of how the app will look when it's built. With the design finalised, it's time to move on to the build stage. This is where we actually start to code the app. We'll be writing the back-end and front-end code, connecting databases and making sure all the features work as expected. This is the longest phase of the project. Once we've got a working app, it's time to move on to the test stage. This is where we put the app through its paces and make sure it's stable and reliable. We'll be testing for bugs, glitches and other issues that might arise. It's good practice to conduct user testing or perform a soft launch to get feedback on the app before it goes out to the public. Finally, it's time to move on to the delivery stage. This is where we release the app to the world, we'll submit it to the App Store or publish it on your website. The app will need to be maintained, fixing bugs and keeping the code up to date and making the updates as necessary. But luckily, this is something that we're more than happy to take care of for you. If you're looking for an expert team to develop mobile app or bespoke software system, give us a call on 01202 684 400 and tell us about your requirements today. Take care, thank you for watching.